To make it in New York City, you gotta be a hustler. And in this city, time is money. I ride fixed gear, no brakes. The bike never stops. It's a simple job. You pick up at point A, you drop it off at point B. What happens in between, that's the art of it. I'm always chasing the perfect line. Could be around, maybe right through. That's how you stay ahead of the game. You have to take risks, you have to take chances. You gotta keep moving. If you take care of your bike, it'll take care of you. Ride fast, move packages, and then it's right on to the next one.